The HelloBaby Upgrade Baby Monitor offers a 5 inches screen and a 30-hour battery life, perfect for monitoring your little one. It features a pan-tilt zoom camera with audio, allowing you to see and hear your baby clearly. With night vision, Vox mode, and two-way talk, you can easily check on your child day or night. It also includes 8 soothing lullabies and has a 1,000 feet range, all without needing Wi-Fi. This monitor ensures peace of mind with reliable coverage and long-lasting performance. The DoHonest Baby Car Camera features a 7-inch HD 1080p display for crystal clear viewing of your rear-facing child or children. With an easy USB plug-and-play setup, it provides hassle-free installation. The 360 degrees rotating backseat camera allows you to monitor 2 kids simultaneously, ensuring a full view of the backseat. It offers clear night vision, making it ideal for day and night drives, giving parents peace of mind with its reliable and high-quality video feed.